Good morning, students. Today you see the next topic, class 6, first angles. This is the topic of chapter 4. This is the topic of chapter 4 and exercise 4.3. So you see, first angles. When angle is formed. What is angle? An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common initial point. When two rays meet at a point, that point is said to be common, and OA and OB are two rays, then they will form an angle. So ray OA and OB make an angle, and its name will be AOB or BOA. Always the vertex kept in common or in the middle. So angle AOB means O is the vertex and O is always kept in the middle portion. OA and OB are arms. OA and OB are said to be arms of angle, and O is the vertex. So angle is clear when angle is formed. And how many parts of angles? Two arms and one vertices. So it is clear. Now you say position in angles. AOB is angle. You see first point Q. Where is Q? Q is inside the angle, that is interior. R is outside, so it is exterior. And A or B is on the angle. Point A and B lies on the angle. So it is clear when the point will be in exterior, when the point will be in interior, and when the point lies on the arms. Now you see exercise 4.3. Now you see exercise 4.3. Name the angles in the given figure. You see the figure and write the name of angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. The complete name of angle A is BAD. Similarly, angle A is BAD, angle B is ABC, angle D is ADC, angle C is DCB. So you write all the names of the angle. In question 2, in the given diagram, name the points in the interior, in the exterior, and on EOF. You see which point is exterior, which point is interior, which point is on the angle. So you write from figure. It is clear. Now you see question number 3. Draw a rough diagram of two angles such that they have first one point in common, B 2 points in common, C 3 points in common, D 4 points in common, and E 1 ray in common. You see the answer of question 3. We draw two angles. The name of the angle is COD and AOB. How many points are common? You can see one point is common. In figure first, O is the common in both angle. You can see also. In second, 2 points are common. You see these types of figure. For 2 points in common, you see AOB, AOB, OB, and BOC, BO. So OB, BO are 2 points that is common in both angles. Similarly, 3 points in common. Now you see angle AOB and BOC. Angle AOB and BOC, 3 points are common. That is O, E, B are 3 points. They lies in both angles and they are common. Next, 4 points in common. You see similarly You make two angles in which angle AOB or BOA and COA. In these two angles you can see that 3 points are common. 3 points are common. Clear? Next, the common points. You see this in this figure, 3 points are common. But angle D, you see OEDA. How many points? 1, 2, 3, 4. In question 4 says that 4 points in common. So you do these types of figure and you write OEDA in common. So it is clear. And last question you can also see, question number E. One ray in common. You can see angle AOC and BOC. AOC and BOC. OC is a ray and that is common in both angle OC and OC. BOC, OC is common, AOC, OC is common. So OC is the common ray of angle AOC and BOC. So all the questions you do and send your answer in my WhatsApp. Thank you.